Okay, today we're going to look at your spelling list that has two different rules in it. We have what is called the doubling rule, and we also have the dropping rule. And we're only going to work on two words. So we have hoping and hopping. So my two words that I'm going to work on is hope and hop. And we're going to learn about these rules. So let's work on the first one, which is the dropping rule. The dropping rule takes a word like hope, and the word has to have one syllable with a long vowel. Hope. The vowel O is long because it has an E at the end. This E is called a magic E. The E says nothing, but it allows the O to say its name. So with the dropping rule, essentially we're going to drop the E. We're going to take it off, and we're going to replace it with a suffix, such as ing, hoping, or ed, suffix ed, which is hoped. So again, with the dropping rule, we have a base word, and from that base word, we have to determine, is the vowel long or short? It's a long vowel, and the vowel is long because it has a magic E. The E makes the O say its name. This E says nothing. So with the dropping rule, we're going to drop the E, and we're going to replace it with the suffix hoped, or suffix ing, which is hoping. So that is the dropping rule. Rule two is the doubling rule. Well, we have a word hop, and we have to determine if we're going to double this consonant P or if we're not. If we place ed at the end and not double, we're just saying hoped, or suffix ing, we're saying hoping. Even though that shows a short vowel, that's still following the dropping rule. But what we need to do is we're going to follow the doubling rule. The doubling rule is the following. First thing, we have to determine that the word is one syllable. Hope, one syllable. So I have a little picture here, and this says one syllable. Then we have to determine if this one syllable word has a long vowel or a short vowel. It has a short vowel. So we're going to say one short vowel. Then from there, we have to look at the root word again and determine if the word ends in a consonant. It does. So it ends in one consonant. The last thing we have to look at is if we want to make the word hopping, we look at the suffix, and if the suffix starts with a vowel, then we are going to double the consonant like this, and we're going to say hopping. So from here, we looked at our root word, hop. It's one syllable with one short vowel, one consonant at the end, and our suffix begins with a vowel, the vowel I, for hopping. So we're going to double that consonant and make the word hopping. This is the doubling rule.